These are the consciousness levels and rate of happiness. We're talking about happiness today, so I thought you'd like to see what is the rate of happiness depending on the level of consciousness. You see, above level 200, it jumps, it's over half the people are happy. At the highest levels, it's 100%. There is levels that anybody can reach. Reason, love as a decision. Love is an inner decision to be loving. To be loving is an inner decision. Nobody thinks of it as that. They think of it as some kind of romance, goody-goodies, or what's you call it. That's what you see on TV every night. Miss something or other. She's always... a pair of headlights coming down the highway. All right. Nobody thinks of love and happiness as a decision. But happiness, as we will see as we go further, is a decision. You're happy because you decide to be happy. And if you don't decide to be happy, nobody can make you happy. Ain't nobody gonna make you happy if you decided you ain't gonna be happy. All right, so these levels, the lower the level of consciousness, you see the rate of happiness is practically zero. This is the level of most maximum security prisons. The maximum security prisons, the rate of happiness is practically zero, about 3 or 4%. People who live in fear, only 10%. People who are constantly desiring and craving, very 10%. Angry people, only 10 or 12% of them are happy. Pride, you get a bit of a break, you go up to 22. The fact that you're better than everybody. Well, it's true, everybody is better than everybody. Everybody secretly believes they're better than everybody. Okay, we'll go up to the next one. The world is very intrigued with happiness, and the media are preoccupied with it to sell products. Buy this car, buy this. Whatever you buy is going to bring you greater happiness. So the promise is that it's going to bring you half whiter teeth, or prettier hair, or swirlier skirts. All those things are going to bring you happy, make you happy. And the illusion is always that the source of happiness is out there. So the first thing to realize is that there is no source of happiness out there. The source is within, not without. That doesn't have the capacity to make me happy. What makes me happy is that I project onto that capacity to make me happy is something. So desirability is something you project out there. Desirability, the world thinks is something that's out there. And they don't realize that it's an energy that you project onto the object that makes it desirable. I've spoken in previous lectures about the famous book, which I can't think of at the moment. Alice Bailey series, glamour. The energy of glamour is we project onto a thing an energy that we project onto it. Alice Bailey, the book on glamour. These are the secrets of happiness, which I don't want you to tell anybody about. That the source is in you and not out there. Gee, I thought if I bought that, I would be happy. If I had that New York City penthouse. The secret is that to want what you have instead of have what you want. Want what you have instead of wanting what you don't have. Want what you have.